In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your followers on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then if we go to our profile, we can see the number of followers here, and by default any user can tap right here where it says followers to see your Instagram followers. If you want to prohibit someone to get access to your followers list, all you have to do is just tap at these three lines, select Settings and Privacy, then go to Account Privacy, and all we have to do now is just turn on the option which is called Private Account. Tap at Switch to Private. Not now, and down below it says when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages, and your followers and following lists. So now guys, just our followers can tap right here to see our followers list. However, if we want to hide followers list from our follower, we can get into followers and then just remove some specific follower in that way. That's how you can easily hide followers in Instagram.